Hi guys, this is our channel Fun Science. This is NCERT Class 6 Science Lesson 2 Components of Food Part. What do food items contain? We know that each dish is usually made up of one or more ingredients which we get from plants or animals. These ingredients contain some components that are needed by our body. These components are called nutrients. The major nutrients in our food are named as carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals. In addition, food contains dietary fibers and water which are also needed by our body. Do all types of food contain the same kind of nutrients? No, not all different kinds of food contain different nutrients. With simple experiment, we can prove that different kind of food item contain different nutrients. Let's start with the test for carbohydrates. We will test the presence of starch, the simpler form of carbohydrates. Step 1. Take a small quantity of food item or a raw ingredient. Step 2. Put 2 to 3 drops of dilute iodine solution on it. Observe if there is any color change or not in the food item. Did it turn blue, black? If yes, the food might be containing starch. If not, take another food item and test again. Test for proteins. Step 1. Take a small quantity of food item for the testing. If food item you want to test is solid, you first need to make a paste of it or powder. Step 2. Grind or mash all small quantity of food item. Put some drops of water to it and shake the test tube well. Step 3. Now using a dropper, add 2 drops of solution of copper sulfate and 10 drops of solution of caustic soda to the test tube. Shake well and let the test tube stand for a few minutes. Did the content present in the test tube turned violet? A violet color indicates the presence of protein in the food item. Test for fat. Step 1. Take a small quantity of food item. Step 2. Wrap it in a piece of paper and crush it. Take care that the paper does not tear. Now straighten the paper and observe it carefully. Does it have a oily patch? Hold the paper against light. Are you able to see the light faintly through this patch? An oily patch shows that the food item contains fat. What do various nutrients do for our body? Carbohydrates and fat give us energy to do work. Thus, they give us energy. They are called as energy giving food. Protein help in building our body after we get an injury in our body. Thus, food containing protein are called as bodybuilding food. Vitamin and mineral help in protecting our body from diseases, thus they are called the protective food. Do you know that vitamins are of different types like vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D and vitamin K? Dietary fibers. We know that the nutrients are essential for our body. Besides these nutrients, our body also needs dietary fibers. Dietary fibers are also known as roughage. Roughage is mainly provided by plant product in our food. Whole grain and pulses, potatoes, fresh fruits and vegetables are main source of roughage. Roughage does not provide any nutrient to our body, but it is essential component of food and adds it to bulk. This helps our body to get rid of undigested food. Water. We know that nutrients are essential for our body. Besides these nutrients, our bodies also need water. Water helps our body to absorb nutrients from food. It also helps in throwing out some waste from our body as urine and sweat. Normally, we get most of the water that our body needs from the liquid we drink, such as water, milk, and tea. In addition, we add water to most cooked foods. Thank you. Hope you understand it. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe our channel Fun Science.